Okay, so today we're going to learn a new trick on how to upload a longer video on your Telegram application. It's very easy. Just open up this application. I'll try and be concise and clear. Go to this change profile photo and open the gallery and look for the video that you want to add in this video. So as you can see that I can only choose the first some part of the video until this blue bar is. So I see that it goes up till the ball. It goes up till the ball, and yes, I click OK here. So what I'll do is it'll upload this one. See, now it's uploaded, but now if we want to upload another part of the video, I need to upload a longer video. So I'll again open the gallery and go to the video that I wanted to upload. This one was the video. So what I'll do is I'll drag it from this rear end, and where I saw the first one got ended, I'll just keep it there and press OK. So what I'll do is it'll upload the next part of the video. See, I'll add another video, the other part of the video. So this is how you can upload long videos. See, this is where we came in for the next one, and this is almost where we came in for the third part of the video. So as you see, this is now being uploaded, and in a moment I'll show you how it is going to look like. All right, so we have 4 videos, and this is the first one. As you can see, it's moving on. Okay, I'll click on the next one and it goes on to the next part of the video. And then it goes to the third part of the video. Here you can see the third part of the video, and in the end I have a picture. I can always change it or keep it the same. Thank you for watching the video.